Sumo. Sumo's first snow experience in the morning, Christmas morning, in Dallas, Texas. And he's kind of wondering what's going on. He can't get his smell. He already peed, but he needs to go poo-poo. And he can't figure out where the smell is. Come on, Sumo. Come on. Aunt Lee gave him a nice little red sweater here. Go poop, Sumo. Go poop. Can you find it? Uh-oh, he found something. Oh, he ate some snow. Sumo, you're not supposed to be eating snow. Come on. Go poop. See, first poop. Where will he poop? Come on, Sumo. Go poop, Sumo. Can you find it? It's packed in the snow. Oh, you found it. Alright, I'm not going to show you guys this.